created equal. We are not all made the same way. All he wanted was to feel like he belonged. Every time he tried to trust, someone always did him wrong. His hurt turned to fear, his fear of course it turned to hate. And it all seemed justifiable, cause to him love in the world had been misplaced. To him love in the world had been misplaced. Tell them how to feel when inside it's not enough. And all this time, when it's gone forever. Now he feels the fire, now he feels disgrace. As those years passed by and left those lines across his face. He may not remember, he may not be clear how easy it was to fall through the cracks and damn near disappear. Damn near disappear.